Hi, today I'm going to continue with the basic data types we were seeing in the last video. So we had seen what are some basic data types like integer, float, double, char. We have seen. Now we see that what size it can store. So its integer can store 2 or 4 bytes. Generally, it is 4 bytes, and floats can store 4 bytes. Double can store 8 bytes. Character can store 1 byte. And the format specifier is also mentioned here in the third column. So the for integer we have %d. Sometimes you will see that it is %i also, but most of the time you will see %d. For float we have %f, for double or %lf, for character we have %c, for short int the size is 2 byte and the format specifier for this is %hd. For unsigned int, the size is 2 or 4 byte and the format specifier for this is %u. For long int, we have 4 or 8 byte and the format specifier for this is %ld. Long int, this data type has the size 8 byte and the format specifier is %lld. Long integer. And unsigned int, unsigned long int is 4 byte and the format specifier for this is %lu. For signed char it is 1 byte and format specifier is %c. For unsigned char it is 1 byte and format specifier %c. Long double it is 10, 12 or 16 byte and the format specifier is %lf. Okay, and we can check its size also through writing program on the system. Okay, so let me show you some examples on the compiler. I will show you. Let's go to the coding. Okay, 35. We have calculated it here. How we are finding 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1. So similarly, you can find for other data types also that what will be the range of values it can store. And you can do the code also and check whether it is working properly or not, or it is something else in your system. You can check. Okay. So for today, that is, we'll continue with this topic in the next class or in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.